Welcome back to another baking show. What is it called this time, girls?
Costume and bakes.
Costume
and cookies. That's how I
So, can y'all tell me who are you dressed as?
I'm dressed as a butterfly girl.
Butterfly girl and aggro.
Yeah.
Do you want that butterfly girl? Do you want to move your mask up so people can see your face? There we go. Okay, so today, girls, what are we making?
Chocolate chip cookies.
Chocolate chip cookies. Okay, so this is not an ancient recipe. This is the Nestle Toll House cookie recipe, but it's our favorite. And we've doubled it because we apparently eat a lot of cookies. But here we go. So we're gonna start off, and in my bowl here, I have 4.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And we are going to add 2 teaspoons of salt. Who wants to put that in? Okay, and then we're also going to add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Ooh. Okay, so our next step, while they're doing that, is we are going to have 2.5 cups of sugar.
Can I help?
Yeah. But this makes a bunch of cookies. I'm just letting you know. Okay, and then we're gonna do another 2.5 cups of brown sugar.
I wish I could feel how brown sugar feels.
Next time, okay? Okay, and then next we have 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So now we're gonna have 4 sticks of unsalted butter at room temperature. So I'm using a stand mixer just because I don't feel like doing a hand mixer, but you can do a hand mixer or even a wooden spoon. Whatever you have in your kitchen is fine. Okay, so our next step is we're going to cream together the butter, the sugars, and the vanilla extract. It's okay, I think you can stop stirring. You're good, Leora. So we'll just do this for probably like 4 or 5 minutes, give or take. I just finished creaming together the ingredients, and if you can look inside the bowl, this is about the texture that we're going for. So now we're going to add 4 eggs, 1 at a time, and these were at room temperature. So now we are going to take out our, who wants to hold this one, yeah? Thank you. We are going to take off our whisk attachment.
And put on the new one.
That's right. Thank you, and we're gonna now attach the paddle attachment. Okay, now I'm gonna slowly start adding our flour mixture from before.
I love chocolate chip cookies.
Do you really? I had no idea.
Ooh, chocolate chip.
Whoa. Do you think we have enough?
Yeah.
I think that's done. So now, what do we get to do now, girls? Do you know?
No.
No? So we're going to... Whoa. Whoa.
The dough is falling on. Do you think there will be enough to make like 1,000 chocolate cookies?
We're not trying to make 1,000.
Look, Ella, it's do re mi.
Do re mi.
It's do re mi just for me. Is that right?
No.
No. Okay, girls, now we're going to put them on our cooking trays.
Can I try to toast?
Okay, so here's just FYI for people watching at home. This is what I do. I get a cookie scoop.
You mean an ice cream scoop?
Oh, I get an ice cream scoop.
I have.
Sure, I'm gonna do this one and then you can do more, okay? And then it gives it a nice little portion. There you go.
Nice one.
So we'll probably put about between 6 and 8 on here. These make pretty big cookies.
I want to do it too.
I know, just make something. We'll do it together.
Let's get out for to my favorite type of cookie.
So here is what it's going to look like before we put it in the oven.
Then I'm gonna make another dough.
So we're gonna make one more tray and then the rest of the dough I'm gonna freeze so we can use it later. Okay, so our cookies are done. They baked in the oven at 375 for about 10 to 12 minutes, give or take. And this is our final result, and we can't wait to eat them.
Yum.
And we'll post a picture of our children enjoying them. Hey, look at Daddy. Tell me how they are.
Yummy.
Do you like them?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
Can I watch the show?
Hey, you're eating my cookie.